In this video, we're going to show you how to take a patient photograph. There are 3 different ways to do it, depending on where you are in Velastria. You can take a photograph straight from the calendar by right-clicking an appointment or pressing and holding it on a phone or touchscreen. You can take one from inside the clinical notes workspace during a consultation, or you can take one from the patient's own record on the Photos tab. Whichever you choose, they all open the same photo screen. Start with the calendar, the quickest route. Find the appointment, right-click it, and this menu appears. On a tablet or a phone, press and hold the appointment instead, and you get exactly the same menu. One of the options is Take Photograph. Click Take Photograph, and Velastria opens the photo screen for this appointment, with the patient already linked, so every picture you take is filed against the right person automatically. Here's the photo screen. There are a few different ways to capture an image, and you can pick whichever suits you. The first is Start Camera. This uses the camera built into whatever device you're sitting at, a laptop, a tablet, or a phone, and lets you take the photo right here in the browser. But the easiest way is usually use Phone Camera. Click it, and Velastria creates a secure QR code. You scan that code with your phone, and your phone instantly turns into the clinic's camera. Every photo you take on the phone uploads straight into this patient's record, with no cables and no app to install. We've covered the real code here because this video goes online, but in normal use, the QR code appears right in this box. Close that when you're done with it. There's one more capture option, still in beta, called Take 3D Video. This one uses our iPhone app to record a 3-dimensional scan of the patient. It works the same way. You scan a code to get started, and again, we've covered the real code here. Close that one too. However you capture your photos, you can label each one. Pick a type from this list, like preoperative, post-operative, or a complication, so the photos sort themselves into the right groups on the patient's record. And you can add a short caption, like left profile or scar detail, to make a particular photo easy to find later. That's the calendar route. The second way to reach this very same photo screen is from inside a consultation. Back on the calendar, right-click the same appointment again. This time, choose Write Clinical Notes to open the consultation workspace for the appointment. Selecting Write Clinical Notes opens the full consultation workspace with all the clinical tools laid out around the proforma. Over in the Tools panel on the right, there's a Take Photo button. It opens the exact same photo screen we just saw in a new tab, so capturing pictures never interrupts your note-taking. The third and final way is from the patient's own record. Let's open this patient's profile. On any patient record, click the Photos tab. Here you'll find Take Photos, which opens that same capture screen with the camera and QR code options. And right next to it, Upload Photos, for adding images you've already got saved on your computer. One last thing that's well worth knowing. Every photograph you store in Velastria, no matter which of these 3 ways you use to take it, is automatically made available to the patient themselves through their own secure patient portal. They can log in whenever they like and see their own photographs. So that's how you take a patient photograph. Right-click or long press on the calendar, use the Take Photo button inside a consultation, or open the Photos tab on the patient record. Use Phone Camera turns your own phone into the clinic camera. You can label and caption every shot, and the patient can always see their photos in their portal.